Hey, what's going on, guys? Old Tech Tips here. Review. My apologies. My brain is fried. Welcome to this Old Tech review. This is an IBM 600 from October of 1998. Today we're going to be taking it apart, and yeah, let's get started. So, right now I'm going to take apart, I'm going to pull out the CMOS battery. As you can see here, I already got the CD-ROM right here and the lithium-ion battery. Even though it is dead, I'm not taking any chances of getting shocked because I like my face. So right now, I'm going to be unscrewing this to access this. So if you're wondering how I could tell it was from 1998, is in here. Actually, it should be on, is it on this side? No. It's somewhere in here. The CMOS battery can stay, I don't care. In here, actually, or here it is, right here. So you can tell, right there, right here, October 1998 CE, right there. So this was made in, well, at least that CD-ROM disc was made in October of 1998. Right now, we are pulling apart where the CMOS battery is, and probably where the amps are displayed. Right now, I'm using a 3/16 bit, I believe, for this project. Pardon the background noise. So right now, I'm going to take apart this whole back component. So let's begin. I wish my thing was magnetic, but we gotta do work with what we got. Let us see. Is this magnetic? Let me see if I have a magnetic bit. I could just... There we go. That's a long boy. So, let me put that in there. Oh, also, if you're wondering why I have this wire as my GoPro, I'm cheapskate. I'm using my GoPro Hero 3 to record the footage, and I'm using OBS to get my audio. I don't know if I'm actually going to be using OBS for it, if my GoPro actually picks up good audio, but I don't trust it, necessarily. I have never taken apart a PC before, so this is going to be my first time doing it, and it's going to be very fun. So right now, I'm just basically looking at, there's an arrow right there. Let me make sure the camera's pointing at it. The arrow right there, there. So I suppose that might be important. I'm not too sure. But the only reason I'm taking this apart right now is anytime I booted it up, it was not booting up. Oh, that's not good. It was not booting up properly. It had a smaller screen, well, smaller resolution than it should. So I'm basically taking it apart, and my goal... Okay, that's the small boy. We're going to put the small boy there. Basically, I am going to take it apart, and I believe this thing has a Pentium 2 processor in it, so in another video I'm going to be making a little stand for it, because this serves no purpose to me anymore. So, I got this thing from, I think it was a neighbor, actually. Me and my friend, who can't be with us right now because of COVID, obviously. We got this thing from a neighbor who's going to throw it out, but it worked at first, but I got an error. I don't remember what the error message was, saying that, I believe it was the CMOS battery was dead. So, I bought this thing off Amazon for like 12 bucks. And yeah, it wasn't too bad. I actually got it working. It's running Windows 98 currently. It's very cool, actually, because... Will this pop it? I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Is this a... I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Do I have to open it up, or... Oh, I probably have to take out these screws, right? That's too big. Probably have to take these out. Let me see if... Yeah. Let's put these little guys right there. I need to make like sticky notes saying like, oh, this is where this goes. I'm gonna pull up a chair because and it's, ugh. Sorry, I'm just rambling on because I'm too lazy to do video editing. Because I don't have any editing software, and nor do I want to. Okay, let's turn this up here. Don't break, don't break, don't break. Oh, what was that? Oh, is this? Oh, that's new. Well, that's broken. Another thing that... Okay, I thought something was coming loose. So that's the back screws. So as you can tell, I probably have no intent of putting this thing back together, unless y'all want me to the one viewer that watches this crap. So let us take this screw out. Because I looked up some images online about the inside component, but kind of wanted to see myself, if you know what I mean. This video cannot be longer than 15 minutes because I didn't verify my phone, even though I don't have one. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of editing. So I should just cut out me taking out screws. Yeah. Okay. Oh gosh, that's tight. Okay. I think that did something. Did that... Do I have to like open it or something? How do I get this out? Do I have to take the LCD screen off? Why don't you... Wait. Do I have to take these screws out? Is that the only thing that's holding... I'm confusion. Let me get back to you on this. Let me figure this out off camera. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back. I finally figured out how to crack this can. It turns out there were screws right there, there, and there. So I can semi-see inside, but... So... You go on the ground. Die. Don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break. Okay. So, the inside of this is unknown to me. So if you hear a couple things rattling around, that was not me at all. Let's pull... I don't want to say pull. Oh, that doesn't... Does this hold anything in? No, it doesn't. What do I want to do? That's fun. Oh gosh. Nearly fell back in my chair. Oh, I pulled out the hard drive as well. This is... Do not touch, push cover, do not shock. What is this? IBM. It's a thing. Let's bring this thing back up again. So you can get a little glimpse of inside. I don't want to break it though. What's keeping it from... I don't want to break nothing. Okay, it looks like there's a... Do I need a... Because this side's fine. Let's see. We got this. We can do this, guys. This doesn't look good, but... Oh gosh, that doesn't look good. Grr. I'm gonna come back while I figure this out. Hey everyone, Future Tech Review here. We had to cut the video short. We are going to go to episode 2. So if you want to go to episode 2, I should be making a playlist soon with that video of the inside of the computer.